Every street's like this.
Man, I'm glad we don't live in Shore Acres anymore. Holy cow.
Every house got flooded.
Every house. Well, almost every house.
No, just because you didn't see shit out there don't mean
Well,
that they
two
already had
stories.
it picked up.
Well, two
Oh, yeah.
stories. I mean, they got, you know. Yeah.
But most people that had the 2 stories, they still had a living area on the bottom, their hangout and all the couches and drywall and whatnot. For the most part.
Wow, this is just so sad.
Yeah.
Hey, that's the second piano I've seen out there. Look at this,
Don't
man.
look like you're gonna be stroking any keys for a while.
Ride the tower over and out. Wow, look at this. Holy cow.
Every street.
This is like a war zone, man. Yeah. Look at this.
It's like downtown Baghdad.
Man. This is insane.
Welcome to crazy world.
No kidding. This is like insanity.